Hey, Pinky here. I'm pretty new to the YouTuber scene. I'll be doing a lot of makeup tutorials and throwing some of my shenanigans from TikTok. I'll be showing you how to do this look, and I look forward to seeing some of yours. Stay tuned. First, I'm going to start by priming my skin with Essence Prime Anti-Studio. Let's put a little drop on my wrist. To brush up my brows and help them look a bit more ruly. I like using Essence's Lash and Brow Gel Mascara. It's really great. As you can tell so far, I'm a huge fan of Essence products. They're so affordable, great quality, and they're vegan. No, I'm not sponsored. And next I'm going in to fill in my brows and shape them a bit better with, you guessed it, Essence in Deep Brown 11. Okay, now I'll be color correcting. I'll be using, not Essence this time, I'll be using NYX color palette. I've got a bit of purple going on under my eyes. Completely normal. I've got a lot of blood vessels down there. I'll be using yellow. I believe that's the opposite color to purple on the color wheel. So I'll be like priming my eyelids, and I'll be using Essence Camouflage Matte Concealer in, what color is this? 20 Light Ivory. Just dab it on my wrist and take a bit of flat brush I've got. I'll help to clean this up a bit. Okay, up to eyeshadow. I'll be using Essence's Soa Seed Bangkok Eyeshadow Palette 05. Okay. And the brush I'll be using, I can say compact. A bit of an angle on it, a bit floofy. Color I'll be using, this one right here. Tap off some of the excess. And I'm just going on the crease. Where I'm holding the brush. Don't have to be aggressive. The next color I'm going in for is this one right here. Different brush now. Same deal, take off the excess. Going up here in the outer corner. Once again. Holding it here, not here. You don't want to be too aggressive on our eyes. just doing halfway on my lid. And do the same on the other eye. I'm going back with the brush we started. And blending the shadows together, bringing it over to the inner corner. And then I will be transitioning to this little one, short and compact. I'm going into the white. And don't forget to tap the excess. I'll be going under the eyebrow. Eyelids. Well, not all of them, maybe just half of them. Starting from the inner corner, dabbing lightly, and blending it with my fingers very gently. So now I'm going in with this brush. And I'll be going into this gold color here. Tap gently. New brush. Okay, I hope you can see it. And we're going into a deeper color. This one right here. Okay, we're going on the outer corner. Next thing up, foundation. I'm going into Maybelline's Fit Me Normal to Dry with Vitamin E. Color Ivory 115. I'm going to take some of it with the flat brush and put it on my face. And then later blend in with a beauty blender. Next, I'm going on to some bronzer. I am using, once again, some Essence Sun Club Natural Glow Bronzing Powder. This is the color I've got, 02 Cool Tone. I'll be using this little brush. You do with what you got. Okay. Some of the excess. darker skin. I'll be going into this deeper tone. And before I forget, this tiny little brush, pretty compact. I don't exactly have the most professional tools at my disposal. I just use what seems to work for me. I'll be going in on my nose, just under the V. I guess I'll start outlining here where the shadows should be. And then we'll blend. Dirty. Next I'm going on to my lash curler. I'll be curling my lashes and doing some liquid eyeliner. Trying to stay as much in frame as possible. As everyone knows, liquid eyeliner is a very serious thing. Don't want to mess this up. To the lash line. Once you've got that, try to line it with your bottom lash line and go upwards. And once you've got that, then you can start making your wing. We've got our eyeliner on, we can go on to mascara. Make sure those lashes are covered. Next I'm going in with Essence All Out Matte Fixing Compact Powder. Going in with this brush, which is also by Essence. Full lips. Down here. And filling in the corners to create a shadow. Once that's done, I'm going in with Velvet